Hey guys! Welcome to the Pi for All channel. My name is Nicholas, and in this video, I will show you how to create the function to login into SAP System by graphic interface. In this part, we're going to take advantage of the code we've created earlier that automatically logs into SAP. Let's import some libraries needed to connect to SAP. Let's copy our class that we created in the previous video, and if you haven't seen it yet, it should be showing up on the card. We will also need to install the Pi-Win32 library. In the main file, let's create a function to login into SAP. Now let's create a message box to let you know that the login was completed successfully. Let's call the method via the login button. Finally, let's do a test run. In this video we have automatically logged into SAP System from the graphical interface. If you liked, leave the like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching, see you.